Welcome to our channel Easy Learn Funny Learn. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications.
Hi my dear kids, in this part 2 video we are going to see the remaining questions from set 1 of class 5 level 2 NSO. So 26th read the given statement and select the correct option. Statement 1, sound travels faster in water than in wood. It is incorrect. Sound travels faster in wood than in water. Statement 2, loosely packed molecules of water help in faster transmission of sound waves. It is also incorrect because tightly packed molecules of wood, that is solid, help in faster transmission of sound waves. So both statements are incorrect. So option D is the correct answer. Both statement 1 and 2 are false. 27. The droplets formed on the lid as shown in the figure is due to the process of dash. So the droplets formed on the lid as shown in the figure is due to the process of condensation. So option C is the correct answer. 28. Which of the following can be placed at X and Y? Solubility in water. So X is a miscible liquid and Y is a immiscible liquid. So liquids like glycerin, alcohol and milk can dissolve in water. The liquid that mix with each other are called miscible liquids. Some liquids like oil and petrol do not mix with water. They float on top of water. Such liquid that do not mix with each other are called immiscible liquid. So option D. X is glycerin and Y is petrol. So option D is the correct answer. 29. Read the given passage and select the option which correctly fills the blanks. Matter consists of tiny particles called dash. So the matter consists of tiny particles called molecules. So either option B or C, or further composed of a very small particles called atoms. Atoms are known as building blocks of matter. The molecules are not very closely packed in liquids, are not very closely packed in liquids and have less force of attraction than solid. So option B is the correct answer. 30. Carbon dioxide dissolved in cold drink is a dash. A solute, B solvent, C solution, D either A or B. So carbon dioxide dissolved in cold drink is a solute. So option A is the correct answer. 31. Study the given diagram carefully. What time or point X and Y most probably experiencing? So the phenomenon of day and night occurs due to rotation of Earth on its axis. The side of Earth, that is X, that faces the sun experiences day, whereas the opposite side, that is Y, experiences night. So here, yes, option D. So side X, the time is 10 AM and then side Y, time is 7 PM. So option D is the correct answer. Option D. 32. Which of the following represent physical changes in matter? 1. Boiling of potato, it represents chemical change. 2. Freezing of water, it represents physical change. 3. Burning of paper, it represents chemical change. 4. Dissolving sugar in water, it represents physical change. So 2 and 4 represent physical change in matter. So option B is the correct answer. Option B. 33. Which of the following group of substance are soluble in water? Which group of substance are soluble in water? A. Salt, chalk powder, sugar. So here chalk powder will not soluble in water. B. Wheat flour, coffee powder, tea leaves. So here wheat flour and tea leaves are insoluble in water. C. Milk, salt, turmeric. So milk, salt and turmeric powder will soluble in water. D. Chalk powder, coffee powder, lemon juice. Again chalk powder is insoluble in water. So option C is the correct answer. Option C. 34. Which type of machine is used in raising a flag on a flagpole? So flagpole uses fixed pulley for raising a flag on a flagpole. So option B, a pulley is the correct answer. Option B. 35th. Which of the following represents third class liver? So in the third class lever, the effort is in between the fulcrum and the load. Tongues and fishing rod are example of third class lever. So option C is the correct answer. The effort is in between load and fulcrum. So option C is the correct answer. 37. Study the given classification chart carefully and select the incorrect option. So P, energy due to position. So W is a potential energy and energy due to motion is X. So X is a kinetic energy. Okay. So W potential energy, X is kinetic energy. And Y is the energy used for separating iron object from other metallic object. So Y represents magnetic energy. Z is a natural source of energy and can be either solar, geothermal or wind energy. Okay. So option A, P is the mechanical energy and Y is the magnetic energy. So it is the correct statement. B, X is possessed by flowing water. That is kinetic energy is possessed by flowing water. And Z can be natural resource, can be wind energy. So it is also correct option. C, W is potential energy and Z is heat energy. It is incorrect. Heat energy is not a natural source of energy. It comes from burning fuels like coal, kerosene and petrol. So it is not a natural source of energy. So option C is the incorrect option. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. Next, 37. The force between chalk and blackboard which enables us to write on blackboard is dash. A, frictional force, B, electrostatic force, C, magnetic force, D, both A and B. So the force between chalk and blackboard which enables us to write on blackboard is frictional force. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. 38. Which of the following statement is correct for hitting a ball with bat? Option A, force is not applied but work is done. So it is incorrect because push force is applied and work is also done. That is the ball is moved. Okay. So option B, force is applied and the work is done. So option B is the correct answer. 39. Dash provide food to the growing baby plant. So cotyledons provide food to the growing baby plant. So option A is the correct answer. Next 40. Which of the following statement is correct? So we need to select the correct statement. Option A, vitamins help the body to get rid of undigested food. It is incorrect. Roughage help the body to get rid of undigested food. B, fats gives us more energy than carbohydrate. It is the correct statement. C, preserved food has more nutritive value than fresh food. It is incorrect because fresh food has more nutritive value than preserved food. D, roughage present in vegetables and fruits must be discarded. It is also incorrect because roughage present in vegetables and fruit must not be discarded. So option B is the correct answer. 41. The given option shows the bacterial count, oxygen level and the number of green plants and animals in the water body of the following is characteristic of polluted water body. So in the polluted water body, the bacterial count will be high, okay, and then number of green plants and animals will be less, okay. So option C is the correct answer. Bacterial count will be high, oxygen level will be low, and the number of green plants and animals will be few. So option C is the correct answer. 42. Fresh water is a habitat of dash. So fresh water is a naturally occurring water on earth's surface and contains minimal quantities of dissolved salt. So it is a habitat to numerous animals like fish, frog, crane, swan and salamander. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. 43. Blood cells which help in blood clotting during an injury are dashed. A, platelets, B, RBC, C, WBC, D, both A and B. So the blood cells which help in blood clotting during an injury are platelets. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. Option A. Next 44. Which among the following organisms help in loosening of soil? A, snail, B, frog, C, squirrel, D, earthworm. So earthworm help in loosening of soil. So option D is the correct answer. 45. Which among the following represents first class liver? So in the first class liver, the fulcrum is located between the effort and the load. Okay, fulcrum is located in between effort and then load. A pair of scissors is an example of first class liver. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A. Next, achiever section 46. Study the given classification chart and select the incorrect option. So P is an animal which lives in forest and also it has sharp incisor and broad molars and premolars. And Q is an animal which lives in forest. It has sharp pointed canines to tear the flesh. And R is an animal which lives in desert, that is hot and dry region. It has thick skin to avoid water loss. Option A, P is a herbivore and could be deer. It is the correct statement. B, Q is a scavenger and could be crow. So Q is a scavenger and cannot be crow because crow avoids going into dense forest. It lives in the forest located along the river sides. So it can be scavenger or omnivore but does not have sharp pointed teeth to tear the flesh. Okay, so option B is the incorrect option. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. 47. Kavita took 4 dishes P, Q, R and S with cotton on each of them. She put equal number of bean seeds on the cotton in all of them and kept these dishes under different conditions as shown in the table below. Study the table and answer the question that follows. Seed on which dish will germinate after few days? Okay, so for germination, seed require air, moisture and warmth. Okay, air, moisture and warmth. So dish, okay, dish yes are getting air, water and warmth, therefore these seed will germinate. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. 48. Read the conversation among 3 friends as given below. Select the correct option regarding X, Y and Z. It can be compressed to some extent. It does not have a definite shape but it has a definite volume. It is called Y. So Y is a liquid. Next, Rohan. It can be compressed. It does not have a definite shape and volume. It is called X. So X is a gas. Karthik. It cannot be compressed. It has a definite shape and volume. It is called Z. So Z is a solid. So X is a gas, Y is a liquid and Z is a solid. So option A. So we need to select the correct option regarding X, Y, Z. So option A. Molecules of Y are closely packed than those of X but are closely packed than those of X. So it is the correct statement. Option B. X can be oxygen or nitrogen. So it is also correct statement. See, aerated drinks can be placed in the category of Y. So it is also the correct option. So option D, all of this is the correct answer. Option D. 49. Rahul heated a piece of metal made up of metal P and metal Q. After few minutes, he observed that it curled as shown. What can be concluded from this experiment? So from this experiment, we can conclude that metal P expands less than that of metal Q. Okay, we can conclude metal P. Okay, metal P expands less than metal Q. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. 50. The given figure shows the phases of the moon. Select the dates of the phases of the moon during which the high tides are seen. So the intensity of tides vary with the phases of the moon. The high tide occur at the time of new moon and full moon. Okay, the high tide occur at the time of new moon and full moon. So the given figure shows new moon is on 5th March and full moon is on 19th March. Okay, so high tides are seen on 5th and 19th March. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. Thank you my dear kids for watching this video. So please check the playlist for more videos. All the best for your level 2 exams. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It will motivate me to post more videos. Thank you.